No, let me explain this thing. It's been exaggerated, deliberately so. I think let's allow the processes that have been defined to unfold. Senzo is not guilty. So he will answer to whatever that he needs to answer to. And therefore, he has not been found guilty or been charged in any court of law to warrant any steps to be taken against him. Where he is deployed, there are specific accusations that are made and there are processes that have been followed, and the ANC is supporting those processes. The Commission of Inquiry, and at the same time, the step aside on his part as a minister. Even though people debate that step aside, but he has stepped aside with immediate effect to give the processes a chance to unfold. He himself have pronounced that he's ready to appear before the commission and make his own and put his own side of the story. That's what is important. Now, in relation to the ANC, he's a member of the working committee of the ANC. He's not suspended. He's a member of the National Executive Committee. He's expected to execute his responsibilities as required by the ANC. Only if something happened to him in relation to the law and whether it is arrest and so on, we will then effect changes to his role in the movement. So I explained that he is not affected in the party because he's expected, and I've deployed him for this weekend here in the Western Cape to do his work as a member of the working committee, and I will continue to do so, to deploy him to execute his task as and when it is required.
Closing from my side, I'll give other colleagues a chance. Umkhonto Wesizwe Party is going to the Constitutional Court to challenge the president. Obviously, that is the government-led process about the Commission of Inquiry. They say that should be declared invalid and unconstitutional. Your reaction as the ANC?
I don't know. Let's give any process a chance. But that party you are talking about of Jacob Zuma, they hope for something out of these processes. We know they are faced with difficulties. They hope for something out of this, and including making unrealistic, unreasonable, blatantly political demands, like the president must resign, and they promised anarchy on Friday. So the law enforcement was ready for their anarchy to suppress it. We know what they did in July, riots and all of that. We're quite happy that everything else that they tried has failed this far. And nobody in their right thinking mind can support anarchy. Jacob Zuma is making demands and demands and demands over issues when he was president. He failed and to address some of them, and then secondly, he's making unreasonable demands when he knows as a state president that what the president has done is correct, is lawful. So what constitutionality are they challenging? But I think we'll see that as it unfolds. But nonetheless, we are very happy that South Africans have not fallen into the anarchic pursuit of this Jacob Zuma party.